Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2023 INFINITI QX80 Premium Select. Slot smack dab in the middle of the QX80 lineup. The Premium Select features some dark chrome trim pieces, black mirrors, the upgraded 22-inch wheels. And overall, it's just a very nice place to be. Let's take a look at the window sticker. INFINITI Premium Care Plus, new for 23, 3 years scheduled maintenance, oil changes, tire rotation, brake fluid change. So pretty cool. 5.6 V8, 400 horse, 413 pound-feet of torque, which means it can tow up to 8,500 pounds. 12.3-inch interactive display that was new for 22. Bose 13-speaker audio. Let's see here. This one is truffle brown leather. Hermosa blue over the truffle brown. Radiant kick plates, cargo pack, all season pack for a as tested price of $83,665. So not bad at all. Obviously you can check out, this one has the captain's chairs. You can obviously get a split bench at no cost. That is an option. And that's an option on all trim levels of QX80. You don't have to get Premium Select to get split bench, vice versa. All right. Heated seats, around view monitor, of course, navigation. Very, very nice. Sunroof, of course. Here is your truffle brown leather. I believe this is the dark burl walnut trim that is exclusive to Premium Select. Looks absolutely gorgeous. It is an open finish, so you can feel the wood grain trim, which is awesome. Wireless charging, standard on all QX80s, hidden in here. Good size visor. Virtual rear view mirror. Let's go for a drive. Seven-speed torque converter automatic. I mean, this thing competes against the Escalade, the Yukon, your luxury full-size SUVs. So I've driven a ton of these. I've driven Lux so far, 23 Lux, 23 Sensory, and now the 23 Premium Select. I'll be honest with you, it slots smack dab in the middle. Sensory, that jump definitely gets you a little bit more. You're going to have different suspension, the hydraulic body motion control, whereas this one has the same suspension as the Lux. But this is a perfect middle ground because cosmetically, you get everything a Sensory has. With the upgraded wheels, everything like that. These are, in fact, standard rear-wheel drive. So if you are buying one of these in Florida, California, your southern markets, Texas, be sure that it is, in fact, a four-wheel drive. The ones we get allocated up here are all four-wheel drive. But kind of crazy to think about, this is, in fact, a standard rear-wheel drive. This is a 4x4. Meaning you have 4 high, 4 low. So it is a four-wheel drive system, not all-wheel drive. Something this size, that is definitely a bonus. Or I should say, it's definitely something you're looking for. Now, a lot of you are gonna make the comment of, yeah, it's been the same for years. And it's the same as the Armada. Okay, I get it. Listen, I've driven Armadas. I've driven previous gen QX80s. Well, not previous gen, but prior to facelift. Yes, they're similar. But think about it this way, and I say the same thing about the Q50 Red Sport. Every year there's little tweaks that just perfect it. Where this is at now, there's no major problems. It's just good. Like, don't have to worry about anything. It's everything's been perfected. There is a fully redesigned QX80 in the works, but we don't know when that's going to be launching. Well, I'm hearing rumors, but I'm not sure. I know when it's launching. I'm not sure if it's public information yet, so I can't say anything. That 5.6 has such a good sound to it. Oh my gosh, this sounds brutal. The thing is, there's just so much torque in these things. They drive like luxury trucks. If you're a fan of like your Ram 1500 Limited, it's a very similar experience, if not a little bit more luxurious. So there's some people at our store that's like, oh, these things drive like trucks. Listen, that is a benefit for something this size. That's the one thing I never really liked about the Ford Expedition. It just drove car-like. And yeah, there's people looking for that, but something this size, I want to feel like I'm bigger than everything else on the road. And that's what this portrays. It definitely just acts its size, I guess. You feel king of the hill. And I love that. I definitely think buyers of this are looking for that feel of feeling taller, bigger than a lot of other vehicles on the road. And what's nice about that is visibility is probably one of the best in the segment. Yukon, Tahoe, they all definitely don't have the greatest visibility. The dash is sat really high up. This one, I could see everything, and it's extremely easy to move this thing in and out of the showroom, even though the size is quite massive. They're easy to maneuver, especially with the around view, because look at that. Boom, right in the spot. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you all in the next one.